In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export metadata to XMP Sidecar Files in Bridge. If you want your edits, keywords, copyright notices, and camera details to travel safely with an image, exporting them to an XMP sidecar is a reliable way to do it. XMP is a small companion file that sits alongside your photo and stores metadata in an open, widely supported format. Start in Bridge's Content panel and click once on the single file whose metadata you want to export. Make sure it's highlighted so Bridge knows exactly which item you're working with. Keeping the selection to one file ensures the export applies to the correct image and avoids overwriting anything unintentionally. Now head to the menu bar and choose File, then File Info. This opens the standard metadata editor. Here you can view EXIF data from your camera, IPTC fields like author and description, and XMP fields used by many apps. Take a quick moment to review what's shown so you know you're exporting the information you expect. You don't have to change anything, just verify the details. Look right. At the bottom of the File Info dialog, look for the small pop-up menu near the Preferences button. Click that menu and choose Export. This tells Bridge to package the metadata from the currently selected file into a separate .xmp document. When the Save dialog appears, pick a location. The safest choice is the same folder as the source file. Storing the sidecar next to the image helps Bridge and other applications automatically associate the two. For the file name, Bridge typically suggests the image's base name, which is ideal because matching names make it easy for software to pair the sidecar with the original. Leave the .xmp extension as is, then click Save. Bridge will create the sidecar and place it where you specified. From now on, as long as the image and its .xmp file stay together, compatible programs can read that metadata instantly. If you move or rename the photo later, move or rename the matching .xmp file the same way to keep them linked. When archiving or sharing, include both files so your metadata remains intact. That's all there is to it. Select your file in the Content panel, open File Info, use the pop-up menu to choose Export, then pick the location, confirm the file name, and click Save. With this quick workflow, your metadata stays portable, consistent, and easy to manage across different systems and applications.